special friends. Welcome back to Mrs. Ashlee's Learning Emporium. We've been having so much fun creating stories together this month, and today will be no different. We have to think of a theme using something around Mrs. Ashlee's house to write a story about. I've told you that I get really inspired by everyday things. They inspire me to write stories for little boys and girls just like you. And now you have a chance to write stories with me for your friends around the world. Are you ready? Last night I had a dream, and it gave me a craving for something really sweet. I thought today we should make cookies. Do you like cookies? I do too. What's your favorite type of cookie? Do you like peanut butter? Yes, I see some of you love peanut butter cookies. What about snickerdoodles? Snickerdoodles are okay, right? Some of you love them and some of you are like, no, I've never even heard of that. That's okay. What about oatmeal raisin cookies? Yes? No? Maybe? What about chocolate chip cookies? Chocolate chip cookies are very good. Today, we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies together. Are you ready? I'm gonna put on my chef hat and I'm gonna put on my apron and we're gonna make some cookies. Come on. It was so fun making cookies with you, special friend. Now we have to think about what we learned today to think of ideas for our story. If you have any ideas, drop them below in the comments. I'll read them all, and then on Wednesday, we'll review all the comments and the ideas that we'll use for our story. See you later, special friend.